Right. So it's another question of the day moment. How about that? And I'm just going to go ahead and dive right into the question of the day by sharing my screen and talking about accounting and data analytics. So I think I'm going to share myself. Oh, there it goes. It did it for me. Isn't that awesome? Okay. What is accounting to data analytics? I get this question all of the time. People say, what does data analytics and accounting have in common? Or what is that correlation? So my answer is accounting to data analytics is the other way around. In other words, I learned many facets of data analytics, such as a database and spreadsheet in my curriculum. So I know that I just did a video and I showed my transcripts. And in my transcripts, there was Microsoft Access, which is a database system. So when we think about, or when I think about databases, we need to think about all the many elements of databases, such as QuickBooks, SAP is a big, huge financial accounting system. That's really all it is. It's a bunch of data inside of a database. So from an accounting standpoint, you are charged with knowing how to analyze that information and turn it into actionable insights. So with that, I said, well, what's going on today? Are those still, is like Microsoft Access still a part of the curriculum for accounting? And so I went in, and this was just today. Today is December 3rd. And essentially, they have QuickBooks for accounting, but no Microsoft Access. So they kind of took out, to me, they took out the element of learning about databases, because basically the softwares now are so prominent that they're probably like, well, we don't need to tell them about the back end. Let's just tell them how to use the database. So all of that, right? QuickBooks is a database of information. But one thing that stays true is Introduction to Excel and Advanced Excel. That is analyzing data. That is the core element, one of the core softwares of analyzing data and information, even from an accounting standpoint. And I have some videos on that. So then I said, okay, that's at the associate's level. What about the bachelor level degree? And the first thing on the list was SA, Intermediate Accounting, Financial Reporting and Analysis, because again, that analysis of financial information is the core principle. It's not even a principle, but it's the core element of learning financial information, understanding financial reporting documents, and analyzing it, right? And knowing what it means. And then we have Introduction to Accounting Systems and Analytics. And I would just have to say, that's when you go into a database that has all of the elements of a database and analyzing data, numbers, accounting, right? So that to me is what accounting and analytics have in common, where that correlation comes into play. So from here, go to my website, sign up for my mailing list so that you can be informed of more information that I'm giving here in this video. Plus, you can sign up for my courses, JRambus.com.